Well, let's now get you the interaction, the face-off that took place in Parliament today in Lok Sabha when leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi finally spoke on the budget discussion, where he launched a fierce attack on the centre over the US-India trade deal. As part of the budget discussion, he termed the trade deal nonsensical, alleging that the Indian government has sold Bharat Mata and saying it is in favour of Trump. Rahul Gandhi alleged the US is weaponizing our energy resource by saying that we can't buy Russian or Iranian oil. He also said that our trade deal is very small and tilted hugely in the favour of the US. He specifically targeted the Prime Minister, alleging that the US has a chokehold over the Prime Minister, who, according to him, had surrendered India's future. Well, the government response was just as fierce. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju led the counter-attack and asserted that no Mica Lal can sell India. The government has also decided to move a privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi, alleging that he has made baseless and misleading statements.
You have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India? Yes. Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame?
आज तक कोई माइके लाल पैदा नहीं हुआ जो भारत को सेल कर सकता है, कोई खरीद सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है। और आपने प्रधानमंत्री जी को कहा, मैं दावे के साथ कहता हूं, इस देश का आज तक सबसे मजबूत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी है। कोई हिला नहीं सकते, कोई हिला नहीं सकते। आपका कहने से क्या होगा? आप लोगों ने देश को इतना कमजोर बना के रखा है। 2014 तक हमारा देश को आप लोगों ने क्या हालत बनाया, और आज देश मजबूती से आगे बढ़ रहा है। आप लोग खुश नहीं है। भारत आगे बढ़ने से कांग्रेस दुखी हो जाते हैं। कि आपने जितना एलिगेशन लगाया है, चेयरमैन ने रूलिंग देने के बावजूद भी आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, आपको ऑथेंटिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है। आप मामूली आप सामान्य सदस्य नहीं है। यू आर द लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन। व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑन सर्टेन थिंग, देयर इज अ सीरियस connotation.
Can you take it?
I would urge honorable leader of opposition, because he is the leader of opposition, all the points he has made have serious repercussion. He must authenticate on all the allegations he has made.
I will authenticate right now. I've got it.
You have
Because let me authenticate.
Kindly,
sir, he has said to authenticate. I will authenticate right now.
That you have to just give in advance, and that you have to.
No, sir, I will authenticate right now. I'm authenticating.
मैं आपसे नहीं मांग।
I will say it and then I will give it. The first time in Indian history, our farmers are facing a storm. Makka, soybean, lal jawar, kapas. You have opened the door. You have opened the door to mechanized American farms, thousands and thousands of acres each farm. You have opened the door to crush our poor farmers. It is disgraceful. It is disgraceful. No Prime Minister has ever done this before. And let me tell you, no Prime Minister after you is ever going to do it. So we are facing a storm. You accept that we are facing a storm. You yourself say the era of one superpower is over, intensifying geopolitical conflicts. You yourself say energy and finance weaponization, and you have allowed the Americans to weaponize our finance and our energy against us. What does it mean when America says you cannot buy oil from somebody? It means our energy is weaponized. What is मार्शल आर्ट की जो फाउंडेशन होती है स्पीकर सर, वो ग्रिप से शुरू होती है। जब हम शुरुआत करते हैं, हम ओपोनेंट पर ग्रिप लेते हैं, ग्रिप लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो पूरा फोकस ग्रिप पे होता है। ग्रिप से लड़ाई शुरू होती है और ग्रिप से हम चौक में जाते हैं। सर, करते हुए जब आदमी के हाथ में चौक आ जाता है, ग्रैपलिंग में जो ओपोनेंट होता है उसकी आंख में दिख जाता है कि बात समझ आ जाती है कि अब मैंने इसको पकड़ लिया है। और होता क्या है सर, वो रेजिस्ट करता है, पहले 2-3 बार ऐसे रेजिस्ट करता है और फिर उसको भी पता लग जाता है कि मैं गया, और फिर वो वहां पे बात खत्म हो जाती है और फिर वो सरेंडर करके ऐसे टैप कर देता है सर। ये सेंटर पीस है सर मार्शल आर्ट्स का, ग्रिप से चोक और चोक से टैप। और ये आप किसी भी एमएमए वाले से पूछ लो, किसी भी जूडो वाले से पूछ लो, काम ग्रिप से शुरू होता है सर। ग्रिप राजनीति में होती है सर। व्हाट हैव यू डन ऑन टैरिफ्स? At the beginning, % was the average. 3% was the average. It is now gone up to 18%. A 6% increase. 6x increase. Sorry, thank you. US imports to go up from $46 billion. You're talking about our budget. US imports to go up from $46 billion to $146 billion. I mean, this is absurd. This is absolutely absurd. And they have no commitment to us. We have a commitment to them. We are going to add $100 billion a year to your imports, and no commitment to us. We're just standing there like fools. And our tariff has gone up from 3% to 18%, and theirs has come down from 16 to 0. Now, I understand that the people across the aisle here want to protect our country. I understand the people across the aisle here value our data. I believe they do. I also believe that the Prime Minister understands that India's biggest asset is its people, and as a result its data. I know that. I do not believe for 1 second that the Prime Minister does not understand this.
Now, remember, the leader of opposition was speaking on the budget discussion, and Rahul Gandhi also questioned why the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman was not in the house.
Sir, FM is not here, sir.
No.
Finance minister is not here for a
Finance minister is here.
leader of opposition speaking also.
You are very senior member. There is a collective responsibility of the government. Already Minister of State Finance is here.
Sir,
Mr. Pankaj is here. Parliamentary Affairs Minister is here. Railway Minister is here.
Sir, this is a budget discussion.
No, certainly he will come.
Sir,
Certainly he will.
हम जानते हैं
Already Minister of
आप हर
Finance
समय
is
बात
here.
उठाना ही है।
All right, let's go across to Himanshu Shekhar Mishra for more on this entire, developments that took place. Himanshu, it was a fiery face-off in the Lok Sabha. Rahul Gandhi hitting out at the government, talking about, selling out India, criticizing the India-US trade deal, criticizing the budget, also talking about our energy security and questioning whether the US is going to direct us not to buy oil and who we can buy from. So a whole host of issues. The government quick to respond equally fiercely to all those charges. We've already seen a press conference by Hardeep Puri. Also, a privilege motion is going to be brought against Rahul Gandhi for this. So, a lot of back and forth, and the government also, and in a short while, we're going to have the finance minister also speaking in Parliament.
That's right, Gagi, and I think Finance Minister's speech will be very important considering the serious points and the questions that Rahul Gandhi has raised about India-US trade deal. I'll give you 4-5 points on which we expect FM to give a categorical answer to the questions that Rahul Gandhi has raised. First, he has said that before the India-US trade deal, the average tariff was 3%, and it has now gone up to 18% for India, while on the other side, for the US US, it was earlier the average tariff was 16%, and Rahul Gandhi is now claiming that it has now gone down to 0% because of the larger agreement to formalize the India-US trade deal. He has also said that India has committed to buy $500 billion worth of US goods in the next 5 years. So Rahul Gandhi has asserted that US imports will now go up from the existing $46 billion to $146 billion in a year, while on the other side, there is no specific commitment with regard to India's interest and what India should expect from the US. Then he has also said that there is no provision for data localization in the deal that has happened. There will be a free flow of Indian data to the United States. He's also said that there is a limit on digital tax and questioned the 20-year tax holiday that has been offered by India, and this is also included in the budget provision. So I think these are larger questions on which it will be very important to see how Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman responds when she gets up to reply to the big debate on budget in Lok Sabha. That's right.
That's right. Several charges, several questions raised there by Rahul Gandhi. Thanks so much, Himanshu. Let's now take a look at some of the other political reactions to this face-off that took place in Parliament.
We are going to file a notice, privilege notice, against Sri Rahul Gandhi for misleading the House and also making baseless statement. When a member intends to make serious charges of allegation against another member, then you have to make a notice and also substantiate the allegation. So I have on the floor of the House requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to make necessary authentication of the those points he has made.
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी या वाणिज्य मंत्री के नाते मैं किसानों की सुरक्षा को पूर्णतः ध्यान में रखकर ही यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका के साथ बातचीत हुई, फैसले हुए और ये भारत के सभी किसानों को मैं पूरी तरीके से आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि उनके हित सुरक्षित है, उनका जो उत्पाद है वो सुरक्षित है।
बजट पर चर्चा के दौरान राहुल गांधी ने लोकसभा में सरकार पर तीखे हमले किए और उस पर जवाब देने के लिए मेरे साथ मनोज तिवारी हैं, बीजेपी के सांसद। राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि भारत माता को बेच दिया मोदी सरकार ने।
देखिए, ये सुन करके देश राहुल गांधी पर हंसेगा। आज भारत दुनिया की चौथी सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी है, बहुत जल्दी तीसरे स्थान पे आ जाएगी, चाइना और अमेरिका ही ऊपर रह पाएंगे। तो ये इसको फिर देश के लोग मूर्खतापूर्ण आरोप कहेंगे, फ्रस्ट्रेशन में दिया हुआ आरोप है राहुल गांधी जी का।
सर ऐसा लग रहा था कोई दंगल में उतर आया है। सर ग्रिप की बात कर रहे थे और अपनी कमजोरी दिखाकर चले गए। इन लोगों ने अपने समय अर्थव्यवस्था को इतना जकड़ा था भ्रष्टाचार के कारण कि दुनिया की लड़खड़ाती चरमराती अर्थव्यवस्थाओं में भारत को लाकर खड़ा कर दिया था। मोदी सरकार आने के बाद लड़खड़ाती चरमराती नहीं, दुनिया की चौथी बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था भारत बन गया।
राहुल गांधी जब भी बोलेंगे बेफजूल आरोप लगाएंगे, बेबुनियाद शर्मीले आरोप लगाएंगे, जिससे सदन की गरिमा कम होती है और उनके विपक्ष की नेता की भी गरिमा कम होती है। पहले एक बात राहुल गांधी जान लें, नरेंद्र मोदी की अगुवाई में भारत किसी के आगे भी झुकेगा नहीं।
Is coming out from the leader of opposition and the opposition benches. Government is completely rattled. Let them move privilege motion. We will face it. We will. What wrong Rahul Gandhi has done today? I think the entire country heard his speech. What wrong was on that? You have done a complete surrender agreement with the US. Then country is asking the questions now. What was the reason? Rahul ji is trying to narrate it.
I actually basically express my thanks to Kiran Rijiju for putting out that video, because there are the last 2 days there are so many theories, myths, propaganda has going against us. Even Honorable Speaker quoted in the Parliament said there is an untoward incident will happen. So this video basically broke that myth.
सत्र लोकतंत्र में उच्चतम मानकों के प्रतीक के रूप में माना जाता था, परंतु आज नेता प्रतिपक्ष राहुल गांधी जी के आचरण, भाषा और शैली, यानी उनके मन में जो है, उनके शब्दों में जो है और जो उनके आचरणों में है, उससे राजनीति और संसदीय मर्यादा को निकृष्टतम निम्नतम स्तरों तक ले जाने का बहुत निंदनीय कार्य हुआ है।